Good morning. This is Miss Lee and welcome back to the flipped classroom lesson on Friday, week 3, episode 5. Okay, so today our objectives is to learn about chapter 2. So please get your textbook ready. We will learn first about places in the street, and about the language we will ask for directions and give directions. Third, we will learn about map reading, and finally to ask and answer questions about how to get to Tonghua Hospital from KCOBAPS2. Okay, so let's begin.
Town. This is my town. Let's look around. The first block is here. Here are a hospital and a bank.
Now read after that.
Hospital,
Hospital,
bank.
bank,
The second block is here. Here are a post office and a fire station. Post office,
post office,
fire station.
fire station,
The third block is here. Here are a school, a library, a museum, and a park. School,
school,
library,
library,
museum,
museum,
park.
park. Ta-da! So here comes question 1. Because of coronavirus, only one place in the third block, here the third block, is open to students. What place is it? Is it school, library, museum, or the park? Which place in block 3 is open to children? Okay, you may play it back a little bit to check the answers more clearly. Okay.
The fourth block is here. Here are a police office and a supermarket. Police office,
Police office,
supermarket.
supermarket,
The fifth block is here. Here are a bus stop, a theater, a bakery, and a restaurant. Bus stop,
bus stop,
theater,
theater,
bakery,
bakery,
restaurant.
restaurant.
Isn't it wonderful? Come and see me. Review.
So the places in the town or in the street are played again to you. You may read carefully after the speaker in the video. Let's try.
Bakery,
Bakery,
bank,
bank,
bus stop,
bus stop,
fire station,
fire station,
hospital,
hospital,
library,
library,
museum,
museum,
park,
park,
police office,
police office,
post office,
post office,
restaurant,
restaurant,
school,
school,
supermarket,
supermarket,
theater.
theater. Ta-da! This is question 2. What film is not shown in the cinema or the theater? A. Iron Man 3. B. Joker. C. Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. And D. Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker. So the tip is you can watch carefully the 3 pictures shown on the entrance of the cinema or the theater. Okay? What movie is this? What movie is this in the middle? And what movie is this on the right? So the question would be, what film is not shown in the cinema? Okay? In the video, students may be a little confused about museum, court, cinema, and theater. So we can use Google Translate and we can type the words here and we can see the Chinese meaning to have a better idea. You may also click image to take a look at what museum, court, cinema, and theater look like in real-life images. Okay? Listen.
Museum, court, cinema, theater.
博物馆、法庭、电影剧院。
Boys and girls, do you remember I asked you some questions in the video? Here they are. Number 1. Because of the coronavirus outbreak, only one place in the third block is open to children. What place is it? So put it in other words. During this time, the school suspension, which of the following places can you go to? Can you go to the library now? Or the art museum, the science museum now? Can you go to the park now? Or are you allowed to go to the park now? Or can you go to the school to get your workbooks and RVs now? So you may find the answer and click the correct answer in your flipped classroom choices. 2. What film is not shown in the cinema or the theater? Now, TRE is the British English spelling, and TER is the American English spelling. So, by looking at the pictures, which film is not shown here? Can you see Iron Man 3 from the cinema? Can you see Joker? Can you see Jurassic World? Or can you see Star Wars? What film is not shown in the cinema out of the 3 here? Okay? Please get your textbook ready, Longman Elect Book 4B, and turn to page 10 and 11. We'll go through the places in the street on these 2 pages, and please read after the children's speakers. Ready? Let's go.
Police station.
Police station.
Fire station.
Fire station.
MTR station.
MTR station.
Clinic.
Clinic.
Bank.
Bank.
Market.
Market.
Post office.
Post office.
Camera shop.
Camera shop.
Convenience store.
Convenience store.
Sports center.
Sports center.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Health and beauty store.
Health and beauty store. So recently, the health and beauty stores are very popular. Examples are Watson's, Manning's, or even the Sasa. They are health and beauty stores. Next.
Church.
Church.
Bookshop.
Bookshop.
Newsstand.
Newsstand. Be careful. Newsstand. There is a hyphen in the middle, and the hyphen is between 2-letter S. Okay, news hyphen stand, S hyphen S. The last one, youth center, youth center. Okay, so please turn to page 13.
Vocabulary.
Please read after the man. The man says, and then you say. Are you ready? Let's go.
Places in the street.
Places in the street.
A post office.
A post office.
A news stand.
A news stand.
A train station.
A train station.
An MTR station.
An MTR station.
A bakery.
A bakery.
A clinic.
A clinic.
A sports center.
A sports center.
A department store.
A department store. So examples of department stores in Hong Kong are the Sogo department store, Wing On, or Sincere. In the department stores, there are many floors that sells different types of products. Example, in this department store, on the 3rd floor, you can buy toys. On the 2nd floor, you can buy bags. On the 1st floor, clothes. And on the ground floor, shoes. Okay? Listen again.
A department store.
A department store.
A health and beauty store.
A health and beauty store.
A convenience store.
A convenience store. Now you may pause the video for a while to revise, to get yourselves familiar with the vocabulary about places in the street. After that, you can close your books and then try to look at the e-flashcards to see if you can remember the vocabulary. Of course, you can still open your book and don't look at it yet. If you can't remember from the flashcards, you can always refer to your book. Okay? So let's start. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Okay, this one, we can see some shampoo or bottles, and we can make a guess what it is. Not too clear?
A health and beauty store.
A health and beauty store. So the Manning or the Watsons or some local health and beauty drugstores. Okay, next one. Yao Tong Post. Green in color. What is it? 3, 2, 1. You got it.
A post office.
Next. Oh, this one, a big umbrella, which is not related. So you may see some magazines, newspaper, and it is relatively small. What is it? Yes, a newsstand.
A news stand.
This one, my favorite, but it is closed for the time being. You may play basketball indoor, and also in this court you can play a lot of ball games such as badminton or volleyball. What place is this? You're right.
A sports center.
This one? Yao Ma Tei. And the sign here, it is a
An MTR station. A train station.
okay. Good. On this one, we can see a loaves of bread and some cakes. This is
A bakery.
a bakery. Next. Wow, the answer is already given to you. Dr. Wong's clinic. A clinic.
A clinic.
This one, a tall building with many floors that sells different things. It begins with a D, the letter D. A department store. Listen,
A department store.
a department store. This one is 7-Eleven actually. So what do we call this type of shops? They are called convenience stores. Listen,
A convenience store.
did you get it 9 out of 9? If your answer is yes, perfect. Congratulations. Here comes our second objective, that is to ask and give directions. So take a look at page 13. There are some boxes in the middle under language focus. Let's listen.
Where can I find a bank?
And you may repeat after that. Where can I find a bank?
How do I get to the MTR station?
How do I get to the MTR station? So there are several ways to tell the tourist or the pedestrian in the street how to get to a place or where to find a place. Okay, number 1,
Go out of the MTR station.
go out of. Go out of.
Go straight ahead. Walk straight ahead.
So, walk straight ahead or go straight ahead. Number 3,
Walk across the road.
walk across the road. Now, when you are close to the shop you are looking for, you need to give clearer instructions. Here are the examples. The post office is next to the fire station. Post office, fire station. So when you are looking for the post office, and people may give you instructions like that.
The post office is next to the fire station.
And or if there is a road between two clear buildings that you can see, you may say,
The post office is opposite the fire station.
so the post office you are looking for, the post office is opposite the fire station. So say it together, next to, opposite. Okay? Now the last one, I skipped this one first. The post office is on your left or on your right. Listen.
The post office is on your left. The post office is on your right.
Okay, then the second last one is where you need to go further and turn left or turn right into a new road, and you know the name of the road. Listen.
Turn left into Causeway Road.
Turn left into Causeway Road.
Turn right into Causeway Road.
Turn right into Causeway Road. Please turn to page 14 for practice 1. We'll do part A. It is a listening exercise using the language focus pattern we just learned. So take out a pencil and get ready. Let's read together first. Where can I find? Go out of. Go straight ahead. Next to. Opposite. On your left. On your right. Ready? Let's go.
A. Some tourists are at the hotel reception. They are asking where they can buy things. Listen and write the names of the missing places on the map.
So, this is the hotel reception, and this lady is the hotel receptionist. One lady, one gentleman, and one old man. They have different things they want to buy, and they take turns to ask the lady at the reception. The first lady wants to buy some stamps. Can you guess where she wants to go? The second man wants to buy a newspaper. Of course, he needs to go to a newsstand. Or he may even go to the convenience shop to buy it. The third old man wants to buy some bread. So he needs to go to the bakery. Or again, you can buy it from a convenience store. Let's start now.
Excuse me, where can I buy some stamps?
You can go to the post office. Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The post office is on your left. It's next to the fire station.
Next to the fire station, here, please write.
Excuse me, where can I buy a newspaper?
You can go to the newsstand.
Newsstand.
Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The newsstand is on your left. It's next to the convenience store.
Next to the convenience store. Newsstand.
Excuse me, where can I buy some bread?
You can go to the bakery.
The bakery.
Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The bakery is on your right.
Right.
It's opposite the newsstand.
The newsstand is here, and the bakery is opposite the newsstand. The bakery would be here. So let's check the answer. If you don't know how to spell the words, turn back to the previous page. Ready? The post office is next to the fire station. The newsstand is next to the convenience store. The bakery is opposite the newsstand. Let's look at practice 1, part B now.
Role play asking and answering questions about the places on the map with your friend.
Excuse me, where can I find a bank?
Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The bank is on your right. It's opposite the convenience store.
Okay, there are many shops and many directions to give. We'll go through 3 examples, and for the rest we do it in a faster way. Let's try. Bakery.
Excuse me, where can I find a bakery?
Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The bakery is on your right. It's next to the cafe.
Let's try one shop on the left.
Excuse me, where can I find a sports centre?
Go out of the hotel. Go straight ahead. The sports centre is on your left. It's next to the convenience store.
Okay, so basically the other shops all start with go out of the hotel and go straight ahead. The convenience store is on your left. Is next to the newsstand. The newsstand is on your left. It is opposite the bakery. The post office is on your left. Is next to the fire station. Now for shops on the right. The cafe is on your right. It's between the bakery and the police station, or you may say it's next to the police station, or it's opposite the post office. This PowerPoint will show you lots of examples on how to ask for and give directions. Let's begin. Where can I find a post office? Go out of the school. So the color matches. Turn left into School Road. Walk straight ahead. The post office is on your left. Another example. How do I get to the sports center? Again, go out of the school. Turn right into School Road. Walk straight or go straight ahead. Walk across the road. The sports center is next to the police station. So when we ask, there are two questions that we can use. The first one, where can I find a post office? The second one, how do I get to the sports center? So where can I find? Where pairs with this? How do I get to? And then the article is different. Okay, where can I find a shop? How do I get to the shop? And then here are the directions. Let's look at more examples. We can read together. Go out of the MTR station. Walk straight ahead, or go straight ahead. Walk across the road. Turn left into Brown Road. Turn right into Brown Road. The post office is next to the bakery. The post station, I think it should be the post office is opposite the fire station. There's a typo here. Opposite. There's a road separating them. The bakery is on your left. And the convenience store is on your right. Practice. Now choose the correct answer. Remember the phrase, how do I get to or where do I get to? Should be, how do I get to the department store? The department store is opposite the clinic. How can I find a health and beauty store? Or where can I find a health and beauty store? Where can I find a health and beauty store? The health and beauty store is next to the police station. Okay, now you can do it. The arrow going out. So go out of the sports center. Correct. Next one. Turn right into Blue Street. Correct. Now this one is very long, but we can do it step by step. First, the red arrow, go out of the post office. The green arrow, turn left into Sun Street. The light blue arrow, walk across the road. And then the dark blue arrow, turn right. The purple arrow, go straight ahead or walk straight ahead. The light green arrow, the clinic is on your left. And finally, the blue arrow that shows opposites. It is opposite the fire station. In the E-class exercise, you need to do workbook page 5 and 6. And you need to type the answer very carefully, otherwise the computer will give you 0 mark. Let's take a look at number 2. Riddle 2. I have magazines and newspapers for you to buy. I am small. So it should be a newsstand. Now here, if in the E-class exercise you forgot the hyphen, or you forgot to put the news S or the S for stand, you'll get 0 mark. So please spell the words carefully and double check before you submit the answer. Next page. I want to buy a newspaper. Where can I find a newsstand? Go out of the building. Go straight ahead. The newsstand is on your left. So again, in your E-class exercise, you need to type the words carefully and remember to type capital letter. Finally, this is the extended task for today's lesson, in which we need to give instruction to someone who wants to go from our school, KCOBAPS2, to Tonghua Hospital. Let's begin. Excuse me, how do I get to the Tonghua Hospital? Sure, let me help you. Go out of the school. Turn left into Po Hing Fong. Turn left into Po Hing Fong. Go straight ahead. Walk across the road. The hospital is opposite the bakery. Thank you very much. You're welcome. So this speaking exercise is very useful because there are many tourists in the Taiping Shan Street area and the Soho area. You will feel really great if you can help someone using simple and easy English. So please go ahead, practice now. Bye bye.